The old typewriter sat abandoned in the corner of the attic, its keys dust-choked and stiff. Yet, as midnight crept in, I heard the unmistakable clack of its keys echo through the floorboards. I froze, heart pounding, then climbed the creaking stairs. The attic was empty except for the typewriter, which now held a single sheet of yellowed paper. It read, "I see you." I laughed it off, blaming drafts and my imagination. The next night, the clacking returned. This time, I watched from the shadows as the keys moved, pressed by invisible fingers. Another message appeared. "You shouldn't be here." I tried to leave, but the attic door slammed shut behind me. The typewriter began furiously typing, keys jamming in frantic bursts. "Stay with me," it pleaded, over and over. My hands moved against my will, fingers slamming down letters, spelling out confessions and secrets I'd never told a soul. The final message bled through the paper. "Now you belong to me." The clacking stopped. Outside, the house was silent, but in the attic, I waited for the next midnight, eager to type again.